Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to another hair video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use 3 common herbs to make a very powerful hairspray. If this sounds like what you're interested in, you know how we do it here. Ensure you watch the video from the beginning to the end so you don't miss out on any information, and also subscribe to the channel. If you're watching without subscribing, click on the red subscribe button by the right side of this video. Do well to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when there's a new video, and also give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can push it out to other people who are interested in this kind of videos. So guys, our first herb is rosemary leaf. I'm using the dry rosemary leaf. If you have the fresh one, go ahead and use it. Rosemary leaf has a lot of benefits. Like, I've been experimenting with rosemary leaf recently. I've added it to my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. I've added it to my hair butter. Like, it has really been doing great on my hair, and a lot of other people who are using it can also testify that rosemary is very good. It helps in stopping hair breakage, it helps in treating dandruff, and it also helps in promoting hair growth and also promoting thicker hair. So in this video I'm going to be mixing it with 2 other herbs to make it more effective, and I'm making use of fenugreek and cloves. And you guys already know this 3 combination is a powerhouse for healthy hair growth. This is going to help you stop hair breakage. It's going to help you stop dandruff. If you're having any hair challenge, you just want to combine these 3 herbs together and you're going to see great results, guys. So I just mix everything together, then I pour in some hot water and I let it infuse overnight. And the next day, this is what it's looking like, guys. You can see it is more concentrated now. So I'm just going to go ahead to strain it to get my spray.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah.
So at this point, I went ahead to add glycerin to the spray, and I'm also going to be adding hair growth oil because I discovered that every time I use this spray, it always leaves my hair extremely dry. So I just want to make sure I seal in moisture by adding glycerin to the mixture. And to go extra, I also like to use hair butter on my hair after using this spray. This way I retain a lot of moisture even after hours of using this spray. So if you experience excessive dryness every time you use this spray, you just want to follow the same method I just talked about, and you're really going to find it very helpful. So I'm just going to pour it into my spray bottle and I'm going to show you the method I use in applying this spray, guys. Do well to watch to the end and also click on the like button. It really helps with the YouTube recommendation. YouTube will push it out to other viewers who are looking for related video. So each time you watch my video, always remember to like the video, and of course always remember to come back and watch after subscribing to our channel. So guys, the next clip I'm just going to show you how to use this spray, and I'm also going to be telling you why I have been away without posting. So keep watching and I'll see you in the next clip. So guys, this is how I apply my spray. I go in with the spray and then I also go ahead to apply my hair growth oil all over my scalp and my edges. And lastly, I go in with my hair butter to seal in moisture. Then I just make sure I massage my scalp to promote blood circulation. And that is just all for the application method, guys. So reason why I have been away is this, guys. Firstly, I want to appreciate everyone who DM me on Instagram when they noticed I was not posting twice a week like I used to. A lot of you DM me on Instagram and I am very grateful. Like, I'm really grateful for the family I have here on YouTube. You guys are always looking out for me. Thank you so much. So guys, the past 2 months has been a tough one for me. There's been a lot of ups and downs because I'm currently trying to start up my hair care brand. Yes guys, I know I have not mentioned this here, so I just want to make sure I put everything in place before coming up here to announce to you guys. So the past 2 months, like I said earlier, has really been a tough one for me. You know, starting a business requires a lot, and I am one person that I like to give in my best in anything I'm doing. So this has really been overwhelming for me because certain things were not coming up the way I wanted it. But by the grace of God, everything is going my direction. We are setting up, everything is going. Currently, I have 3 products on sale. So when we have our complete product, I'm going to come here and do the official announcement. But if you want to purchase the available products, you want to make sure you're following me on TikTok because I post a lot of short video there, and I also post videos of the available products we have. So kindly follow me on TikTok because you can also DM me there, okay? So guys, that's all that has been happening. I promise you all I'm fine, I'm okay, and I'm going to try to post once in a week like I used to do before. So for now, if you're a new subby, please, we have over 200 videos on this channel. Help us catch up on the old video while you wait for the new video. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'm really grateful, guys. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope to see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.